Hi, it's Rob here. I'm just going to show you a very quick video of the push-to-talk functionality on the Unitech EA630. As you will have seen recently, Microsoft have made an announcement about availability of Microsoft Teams Walkie Talkie, and this is coincided with the release of a Teams Essentials package, which also includes walkie talkie mode. I think that's about £3 per month plus VAT, so very reasonably priced. You actually also get Teams Walkie Talkie mode if you've got some of the small business premium packages, as well as if you have packages, I think, as E5 and possibly E3 as well. So essentially, the walkie talkie mode on these devices, which can use either Wi-Fi, which we've got here, or cellular networks, is a replacement for the traditional two-way radio stroke walkie talkie, and means you can do it all from one device. So you haven't got to walk around with separate radios. There's no additional cost of having the separate radios and management of and recharging the batteries in those, etc. It's all done through your phone or your sort of rugged device, as in the case of this particular device. So you can just press and hold the screen to actually make and receive or messages, calls, etc. on the walkie-talkie, and on some devices you can actually use a button. So on the Unitech devices you've got two blue buttons, and they actually operate the scanner, which I don't think is, we've got the scanning application running at the moment, but there's an application that activates those. You've got a power button on the side, and then you've got a black programmable button here, and this button we've remapped using our EMM to configure it for Teams Walkie Talkie. So press and hold the button, which you can do with either hand, and then we go. That's your push to talk, release to release. So it's quite simple. The other thing is that even if the device is locked, that works as well, and it works if the application isn't in the foreground. So it's not one of these things where a button's being mapped. This is basically using a button to send a command to Microsoft Teams when the button's depressed to effectively talk, and released is to listen. So, and there we are. That's the Unitech EA630. One of the other things this can do actually is you can also plug it into a monitor via a USB-C dock and either get a mirrored display, or if you're using the Android device desktop, you can actually get a full desktop, a bit like Samsung DeX or Motorola Ready for. And there are some applications on the Play Store that give you a slightly better interface, such as Taskbar, if you want to have a look at those. But yeah, really good device. They're not very expensive. This particular one from an online retailer, and it comes with the scanner, the laser scanner, as well as HF NFC. It's a 3 gig of RAM, 32 gig storage, with a Qualcomm Snapdragon, I think it's a 660 processor in it. So good spec, good technology in there, and I think this was about £392 plus VAT. So very reasonably priced compared to other brands. But as I say, great because you've got push to talk on here. So if you're looking to roll out a device to your workforce and you need push to talk, take a look at the Unitech EA630. There's also a healthcare version as well, so that one comes with a special coating on it, which makes it suitable for constant wiping with antibacterial or antimicrobial wipes, etc., which the standard coating isn't designed to withstand. These are all drop proof as well, 1.5 meters without the case. There's an additional case as well, which gives it a 1.8 meter drop. They're IP67, the standard as well. So a good deal of protection. Yeah, really nice piece of kit. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to. Any questions, leave in the comments, and I'll come back to you. Thanks very much. Cheerio.